so today I'm going to be making a paper airplane, and the first thing you'll need is a paper. If you want your paper to be a bit more colourful, if it's a colour, then that's fine. But if you want it to be more colourful, you can decorate your paper like I have. So yeah, I think I'm going to decorate it a bit more. Add some more stuff. Okay, I'm going to do something in blue. Okay, I'm just gonna draw my name. Yeah, there it is. And I think I'm gonna do something in purple. Ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy, ziggy.
Don't you think you need to say it ziggy zaggy a little faster?
Ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy.
A little faster.
Nah.
Zzz.
If you're wondering who that is, that's my brother, and he has his own channel. I'll put it in the link description below.
And if you hear noise, don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Because it's about to go bad.
And I wrote meow because I don't know. Cats are my favorite animal. Okay, there we have it. I think I'll do another ziggy zaggy ziggy zaggy ziggy zaggy ziggy zaggy ziggy zaggy ziggy zaggy ziggy zaggy. Okay, now we're done. I know this kind of looks weird, but you can design it however you want.
Even how Mona did it?
Yeah. Okay, anyway, so first you have to fold your paper in half widthways, like this, like a card. Then you open it and fold that corner to the middle and that corner to the middle too. It should be in a triangle shape then. Then you're gonna fold it in here and fold this part to here, and same with the back. And there you have it, a paper airplane. If you want, you can decorate this part too. I'm just gonna add some stuff. I just did this quickly, but yeah, and if you open it, it can be that picture. Let's test it now.
Moment of truth, guys. I'll tell you if it works. Because we can't show it.
Yes, we can. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait. 3, 2,
Hello.
1.
It missed.
It just fell on the floor.
Okay,
But
first
if you
attempt.
blew it, it
First
would be...
attempt. Fail.
yeah, anyways, if you like blew it, it would have been faster, but it didn't really work. But it is a paper airplane and it does go far. So I hope you enjoyed that video for today. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.